Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by securing the actual iOS environment you'll control. Get a physical iPhone on the same network or purchase a cloud iOS session. This is the only legitimate way. Once you have that, install a remote control app on both devices or open the browser-based iOS emulator. Make sure device permissions, screen sharing, and battery are enabled. Otherwise, the connection drops. Now initiate the first connection. Don't wait. Pair the devices and confirm remote access before moving on. Once connected, focus on responsiveness and control. You'll accept remote permissions on the iPhone, then tune the network. Prefer 5 GHz Wi-Fi and stop bandwidth-heavy apps. Next, set the remote app's resolution and input method to match your Samsung screen. This reduces lag and touch mapping errors. Also enable clipboard and file transfer if available so you can copy text or send photos. If latency persists, lower resolution or switch to a wired hotspot to stabilize the session. Finish by mapping gestures and verifying the apps you need work under remote control, test messages, settings, and any app requiring authentication. Save the connection profile for faster access and secure it with a strong password or two-factor authentication. If something breaks, restart the remote app first, then the iPhone, reauthorize screen sharing, and check network stability. When wireless fails, switch to a wired hotspot or USB tethering for a dedicated link that reduces disconnects and input lag. This is the key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.